Welcome to EduDose. Today we'll explore one of the most exciting innovations in pharmaceutical technology, nanofibers and their role in drug delivery systems. From fabrication to real-world applications, and even a case study in cancer therapy, let's understand how these tiny fibers make a big difference. Nanofibers are ultrafine fibers with diameters typically less than 100 nanometers. Because of their large surface area, high porosity, and tunable structure, they offer an excellent platform for controlled and targeted drug delivery. Among several fabrication techniques, electrospinning is the most widely used because it's simple, versatile, and can produce continuous nanofibers from many types of polymers. Let's look at what makes nanofibers ideal for drug delivery. High surface area allows better drug loading. Porous structure ensures sustained release. They can be designed from biodegradable polymers like PLGA, PCl, or chitosan, and they closely mimic the body's natural extracellular matrix, improving compatibility. Now, how are nanofibers actually made? The most common method is called electrospinning. Here's how it works. A polymer solution is loaded into a syringe connected to a high-voltage power supply. As voltage increases, electrostatic forces build up at the needle tip, forming a cone shape called the Taylor cone. When the electric field overcomes surface tension, a fine charged jet of polymer solution ejects from the tip. As the jet travels through the air, the solvent evaporates, leaving behind a thin, solid nanofiber. Finally, these fibers get deposited on a collector as a non-woven mat. The fiber's size and structure depend on factors like voltage, flow rate, polymer concentration, and humidity. Besides electrospinning, other methods include phase separation, where cooling a polymer solution forms a porous nanofiber network. Self-assembly, useful for peptide-based fibers. Solution blow spinning, which uses compressed gas for faster production. So, in simple terms, the electrospinning mechanism balances electrostatic force and surface tension. Once the force wins, a continuous nanofiber is formed and collected. Polymer solution, Taylor cone, charged jet, solvent evaporation, nanofiber mat. Nanofibers are used across multiple drug delivery routes. Transdermal patches for sustained release, wound dressings delivering antibiotics or growth factors, cancer therapy for localized drug release, oral and buccal films to enhance solubility of poorly soluble drugs, and even in tissue engineering, where nanofiber scaffolds guide cell growth. Let's look at a real case study. Researchers developed core shell nanofibers using polycaprolactone, PCl, and polyethylene glycol, PEG, loaded with Paclitaxel, an anti-cancer drug. In this design, the core shell structure protects the drug from early degradation. It provides controlled and localized release for more than 10 days. It significantly reduced systemic toxicity compared to conventional injection. Animal studies showed improved tumor inhibition and biocompatibility. Similar nanofiber technologies are already being translated into medical products, like Nanofiber Solutions, scaffolds, and Medtronic's electrospun wound matrices. Going forward, software like GenDock from Geinforce can help researchers perform in silico molecular docking to study drug-polymer interactions before actual fabrication, saving both time and material. The future of nanofibers lies in smart, responsive systems. Fibers that release drugs based on pH or temperature changes, or even integrate biosensors for on-demand therapy. Combined with AI-based optimization and 3D printing, nanofiber drug delivery can become highly personalized. To summarize, nanofibers bridge material science and medicine beautifully. Their high surface area, tunable release, and excellent biocompatibility make them one of the most promising tools for next-generation drug delivery. Thanks for watching EduDose. I'm Dr. Satish Polshettiwar. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pharmacy and bioscience learning content.
breakthrough innovation integrates artificial intelligence with pharmaceutical sciences to predict, design, and optimize formulations.
World's first formulation AI prediction platform in pharmaceutical sciences, using artificial intelligence to predict and optimize drug.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you in the